Can someone just throw out there, why do you think we're here today, and what are you hoping to hear from me as based on what you think I do? And has anyone even had a chance to look me up? Yes. Just a quick show of hands. Do everybody want financial freedom? Okay, all right, everybody. Not everybody wants it, but okay. Do everybody wants the ability to be able to protect their assets? So protect in the sense that no one can, you want to create this, no one can come take it away from you. Do everyone have the desire to pass on a legacy or asset to the next generation or your kids or your family member? Everyone has that desire? Okay, that's a good starting point for me to start from. Okay, so what is financial freedom? Understanding financial freedom varies from everybody. What financial freedom means to me is totally different from what it means to Bayo or Dr. Yemi. It's very, very different. But financial freedom in a nutshell is the ability for you to do whatever you want, whenever you want, however you want, without having to take permission from anyone else. We all know that there's a lot of us that basically have like a mini heart attack on Sundays. A large population of us. Why? Because we know that we're going to go to work on Monday. And maybe for some reason, maybe we don't like our job on Monday, and we go to on Monday.
I've really been impacted by Collins speak. I've never been so blessed, had so much knowledge in this split time. Someone sitting me down to give me that bunch of experience and knowledge that are practical on how I can make the next big step in my life. I've never been touched by a speaker. Now I've really known the real reason of having a mentor, and I would love to have Collins as one. Really impactful coming here today to spend my time listening to Collins. Thank you, Collins, and I thank the God for bringing you to ROCCG Jubilee Center today. God bless.
Questions? If that's the case, why are we doing it? Now, I can stand here in front of you and say, it's that easy. Oh, it's that easy. Just leave your job. Well, it could be that easy. Now, understand this. Our perception, our mind plays a trick on us. We are all where we are because of who we are. I hope we all can agree to that. We are all where we are because of who we are. The things you know brought you this far. To get to there, you need to learn additional skills to get there. You can't use the same knowledge that you had to get there. Now, if you break that down, when you break that down, what mindsets do you have? What limiting beliefs do you have that's keeping you stuck? We gotta start asking ourselves that question. You're trying to, Dr. Nini was talking about businesses, setting up a business. What I'm planning to do today, I wanted to plant an idea in each and every one of you's mind. I want to plant a seed in each and every one of you's mind. And if I can successfully do that on 2, 3, or 4 or more people, then I've achieved my goal.